viewers, a very good evening and happy Ganesh Chaturthi to you. And most of you must be having Ganpati Bappa at home. I certainly have, and I will give you darshan of my Ganpati Bappa just in a little while. So I'm here again on a Sunday evening with CB2LL, Consciousness Bites to Live Light. And can you hear all this dhol dhamaka, the enthusiasm and the festivity and the buzz, so much buzz in the air of Ganesh festival, of Ganesh Chaturthi? What does it tell us? It tells us that 10 days Bappa has come on earth, Bappa is visiting earth, and people are rejoicing. It's a festival time. However, is it only when there is an occasion that a festival time is demarcated, that a festival is celebrated? I think festival can be celebrated anytime, anywhere, without having to be defined by a certain days or a special occasions. Your life becomes a festival, a celebration, when you truly live it from within. You don't need anything external outside. Hi Janvi, so good to have you here. Hi Bansari. So your life becomes a true celebration without having the need to have any external source. It is always nice to have a festival time like Ganesh Chaturthi or Diwali or Navratri. It just adds on. However, the basic celebration instinct is within us, which is not dependent on any external factor, only if you allowed it to. So there are a lot of things that happen in a person's life and on a daily basis. Just check your awareness meter. Just have a run through your meter, your barometer of how much do you allow yourself to be affected by what is happening in your life on day-to-day basis. Janvi, thank you so much. You have a wonderful shares, the way you share your experiences every day, the journals after having finished the course. It is just wonderful. And the best part about your journals is that you take every day in your stride, just the way as it shows up. So the tools are so beautiful. Whether the day is happy, pleasant, not so pleasant, you have the power to have ease and peace with it and then change the energy of the day. Even if the day is not pleasant, how many times have you used the tool and have changed and transformed the energy of the day in your favor? Janvi, probably if you have done that, you can share your experience here. If any time when you felt, the day is too difficult, why so many difficult people in my life, why do people behave in a certain way, why is my day looking so bad and so difficult and so hard? And then when you use the tool, how it changed magically. Well, that's the capacity we all have, and we all can change our day, the tone of our day magically. Hi Rohan, good to have you here. Yes, many times the tools really help me be sane. Yeah, that, so, when you say that, Janvi, there are so many factors that can drive one insane. There are people, there are situations which are not probably working the way you would like them to, and so you tend to become like literally pulling your hair. However, when you use simple tools of consciousness, you can have the shift in the energy, your energy first, and then it has a ripple effect and it changes the energy of the environment. It changes the energy of your external environment that you are breathing in. But most of you look for the change coming from outside. It doesn't work. You always, most people expect the change must come from outside. My day should become like this beautiful, pleasant day, as I desire it to be from outside. It doesn't happen that way. Hello Dharmendra ji. Always change has to come from inside. Yes, the journey of change begins from within. It is always inside out, never outside in. Nothing that you expect, no one that you expect outside to change will function according to your will function according to how you have thought. No, Everybody has their own mind, everybody has their own point of views, and they have their own different, distinct, special choices. So when you desire someone else to work according to your choice, how practical is that? How reasonable is that? Would you work according to someone else's choice? Probably not. But when you want certain things to go your way, first you have to change what is within, which is not working in your favor, which is not allowing the things that you desire to show up in your desired timeline, maybe. Not the way, because it will show up. Only if you didn't define it, it has to show up in this particular way within this time limit. That is where the control factor comes into play. So always choose change from within. Now, before I sign off, I'm going to give you darshan of my Bappa and a lot of blessings that I'm receiving on his arrival from day one. I am going to have my Bappa leave me tomorrow. Tomorrow is the Visarjan. But before that, I'm going to give you on the CB2LL live darshan of my Bappa. How does it get any better than this? And here is my beautiful Bappa. Can you see him? Okay, right in the center here. Yay. And isn't he beautiful? So, Bappa, what is Bappa telling us? Bappa is telling us, have patience and have all of those qualities that Bappa has within him. Intelligence, resilience, patience, and all of those sturdiness. All of those things, when you incorporate as a human, having those qualities, applying your intellect and rather wisdom, following your awareness, following the energy that you are aware of, things will move in your way, in your direction, as you desire them to. It may not show up, but even better than that. It may show up even better than that. So you may ask, oh, I want this thing. However, Bappa wants to wish you, and the universe wants to wish you with way more than you are asking for. Have trust. Have trust. Have trust. Have trust in yourself. Have trust in Bappa. And do not only your 100% but 1000%. So the key lies in the action. And when you use those simple tools of consciousness, which I've shared in many lives, when you allow these tools to work, when you apply them, the magic shows up. Okay? Thank you so much for being here. I will see you next Sunday. Have a blissful Monday. Not a Monday blue, but a blissful Monday. For every Monday is the beginning of a new week, which is tomorrow. And you can set the tone of your week. You can set the tone of your day. You can set the tone of your life just by choosing more and more consciousness in your life. Alright? Bye-bye. See you next Sunday, CB2LL, 9:30 p.m. Bye. By the way, BM to HM, 11-day magical journey starting from September 15th. See the magical reviews, the magical testimonials shared by people. It's there on my Insta. Hi, Kanika. And see the magic that people have received on these programs. Okay? Bye-bye. Good night.